Hello everyone and welcome on De Papier de Rêve channel. I'm Ursula and today I will be painting with you a little abstract landscape. This week video will be a little bit different than usual because I didn't have any time to film, so I'm using an old painting I was filming some months ago about a Japanese part of the garden in the botanical garden in Stockholm. And I wanted to try to make an abstract painting of this one, and I have already a video of my more realistic approach for this painting, but today is the abstract version. And I also don't have much time for the voiceover I'm recording right now, so I will put a little bit of music a bit later so that you can enjoy the painting in a peaceful harmony. I painted this landscape with only 3 colors: Lunar blue, nickel azo yellow, and also Aussie red gold. So it's a very monochromatic or more duochromatic painting. It's a nice way to get to abstraction with less colors. And I'm also using big brushes to help me get the abstraction even more. Using big brush is also a good trick when you want to go abstract. So now I will let you enjoy this painting and I will be back with a proper video for next week. Stay tuned.
One, two, three.
Quickly, I want to talk you through my supplies for the brushes. I'm using an Escoda Aquario number 18 and also a flat brush Escoda Último 1 inch. And for the colors, I'm using Lunar blue, nickel azo yellow, and Aussie red gold. And my paper is Canson Héritage in hot pressed. Sadly, I don't have any photo of this painting because it was a gift for a friend and I didn't take any picture before gifting it. So I just have this video and I will not be able to make a blog post about this painting, sadly. So no blog post for this week painting, but I will be back next week as promised with a proper video. You can still tell me what you think in the comment about this painting. I'm always glad to read about you and answer for all of you. See you soon.